The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. Even the name whispers of grandeur and exotic beauty, evoking a sense of timeless elegance and splendor. Standing majestically on the Mumbai harbour, this architectural masterpiece is more than just a hotel. It's a legend, a beacon of luxury and history. A symbol of India's rich heritage and unmatched hospitality, it seamlessly blends tradition with modernity. It beckons travelers with the promise of an unforgettable experience, offering a sanctuary of comfort and opulence. Come, let me take you on a journey through this timeless palace, where every corner tells a story. We'll explore its luxurious offerings and uncover the magic that has captivated hearts for over a century, from its exquisite rooms to its world-class dining. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's a destination in itself, a testament to the grandeur of Indian hospitality. From the moment you arrive, you're enveloped in an aura of history, elegance, and unparalleled charm, making every moment memorable. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor to India, this iconic landmark promises a journey like no other, an experience that lingers long after you've left.
The entrance of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is simply breathtaking. Imagine stepping through the grand archway. Your eyes are immediately drawn to the soaring ceilings. Intricate chandeliers sparkle above, casting a warm glow on the polished marble floors. The air hums with a gentle energy. A blend of history and modernity, the lobby is a testament to the hotel's enduring legacy. Look around and you'll see a tapestry of cultures. Guests from all corners of the globe mingle seamlessly with the friendly staff. The atmosphere is both opulent and welcoming. This is the essence of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, a place where everyone feels like royalty.
The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel has borne witness to over a century of history, standing tall through the passage of time. It has welcomed dignitaries, celebrities, and discerning travelers from around the world, each adding their own chapter to its rich narrative. Founded by Jamsetji Tata, a visionary entrepreneur, the hotel opened its doors in 1903, marking the beginning of an era. It quickly became an emblem of India's burgeoning spirit and a testament to Tata's unwavering belief in his nation's potential, reflecting the aspirations of a new India. Over the years, the hotel has seen it all, from grand celebrations to quiet moments of reflection, from the joyous celebrations of Indian independence to moments of national resilience. It has been a silent witness to history. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel has stood as a steadfast symbol of strength and unity, weathering storms and shining through. Its walls whisper tales of times gone by, each corner holding a memory waiting to be discovered, inviting guests to become part of its ongoing story.
Section 4. Exquisite abodes. The luxurious accommodations at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel are nothing short of spectacular. Each room and suite is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. Imagine sinking into plush bedding, surrounded by rich fabrics and exquisite furnishings. Large windows offer breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea or the bustling city. Modern amenities blend seamlessly with the hotel's historic charm. Every detail, from the carefully curated artwork to the personalized service, is designed to make your stay truly unforgettable.
Section 5. Culinary delights. Prepare to be dazzled by the hotel's exceptional dining options. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is a gourmand's paradise, offering a symphony of flavors from around the world. Choose from award-winning restaurants, each with its own unique ambience and culinary delights. Savor authentic Indian delicacies at Masala Craft. Indulge in Chinese specialties at Golden Dragon. Experience fine dining at its best at Wasabi by Morimoto. The possibilities are endless, and every meal is a celebration of culinary artistry.
Section 6. A sanctuary of serenity. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel's serene spa. The Jiva Spa is a haven of tranquility, offering a range of holistic treatments inspired by ancient Indian wellness traditions. Indulge in rejuvenating massages, revitalizing body scrubs, and personalized therapies. Every treatment is designed to restore balance and harmony to your mind, body, and soul. The spa's serene ambiance, combined with the healing touch of experienced therapists, will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized.
Section 7. Timeless elegance. More than just a hotel, The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is a living testament to India's rich heritage and timeless elegance. It stands as a beacon of luxury and sophistication, welcoming guests from around the world to experience its grandeur. It's a place where history, art, and culture intertwine to create an experience that is both unforgettable and deeply moving. The walls of this majestic hotel are adorned with artifacts and artwork that tell stories of India's glorious past. Explore the hotel's impressive art collection, which rivals that of many museums. Each piece has been carefully curated to reflect the rich cultural tapestry of India. Discover unique treasures in its boutiques and jewelry stores. From exquisite jewelry to handcrafted souvenirs, there's something for everyone. Every corner of this iconic landmark whispers tales of a bygone era, inviting you to step back in time and immerse yourself in the splendor of a bygone era. The hallways, adorned with vintage decor, transport you to a different time. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel is not just a place to stay. It's a sanctuary of comfort and luxury, offering world-class amenities and personalized service. It's a journey into the heart of Indian hospitality, a symphony of luxury, and an experience that will stay with you long after you've checked out. From the warm welcome to the cultural performances, every moment is designed to leave a lasting impression.